I bought a new 14 by 24 vinyl sided portable shed. I need to get a lot of stuff stored inside here. Problem is, the inside is pretty much a blank canvas. I've bought some new Gladiator storage cabinets. I'm going to bring you guys inside. I'm going to be putting these together, hanging them up on the wall, and see what you guys think. By the end of the video, maybe this was a good idea and it's something you can do in your own garage. We're going to be putting these together, hanging them up. I'm going to get a lot of my stuff off the floor and into these cabinets. So let's get started. As you can see behind me, I have about 13.5 feet of this wall right here. It's pretty much a blank canvas. I'm going to be putting 3 small cabinets in the middle and 2 of the longer kind of storage lockers on the ends. So right now I'm going to figure out my center line, get the 3 small cabinets put together, and get them hung up. So I just finished mounting the doors on the Gladiator cabinets. These are 3 28-inch Gladiator cabinets. Now I'm going to put 2 36-inch wide cabinets on either end. And that's only going to give me like an inch gap from the end of the cabinet to the end of the shed. I would have liked to get the 48s, but the shed's just not big enough. If I would have done 2 of the 28s, I still wouldn't have been able to get that to fit. So the 3 28s and the 2 36s on the end pretty much gave me a full wall space of cabinets. So I'm going to go ahead and get those 36 wide cabinets built and put them up on the wall. You can see I've got the Gladiator 36-inch cabinet all assembled and installed. I've got it nice and flat against this cabinet, nice and flat along the top. I've got plenty of clearance to the side of the garage. I can open and close the door just fine. I'm going to go ahead and assemble the next 36-inch cabinet, get that mounted on this side just the same. You can see I've got all the cabinets assembled and securely fastened to the wall. I've got room underneath so I can store stuff, and when I get grass clippings and leaves blown in under here, I can easily sweep out underneath. Now, total cost of all these cabinets was right around $1,400. Total time to install was about 2.5 hours. To get these up off the floor myself, I just used my car floor jack and used a couple boards to raise these up and screw them into place. Hope you guys found this video helpful and informational. Maybe you're looking at some garage storage units. I do have videos on how to assemble these step by step as well, and I thank you guys for watching.